Good day everyone. Bridge LCS is excited to announce the release of the most requested feature in version 5.8. Yes, the most expected feature is here. Custom reports. This is an essential feature that must be included in any logistics software. Custom reports permit you to make all kinds of reports on your own and as per your need. To begin with, go to Reports, then Operational Reports. Scroll down, you can find custom reports here. Click on Create Reports. Building custom reports is quite simple and can be created in a matter of seconds. Here, you can see multiple sections of reports. The first section is the place where you can select the type of reports and a list of fields to be present in the report. These are the modules applicable to making custom reports. The second section displays the list of fields selected. And the final section is the preview, where you will get a sample preview of how the report looks. For example, I am selecting the report-based field as transportation, and filling in the report name as transportation report, and report name in the local language if required. Click on the filter by drop-down, you will get the list of filters that can be applied to the report. We have selected transportation as the report type, so we will get empty in and pull out as additional options along with the posting date. Select the required condition and proceed next. Enable the required fields here to be present in the report as per the requirement. Here you can see the limitation. For more details regarding the limitation and accessibility of the custom report, you can check the description for detailed knowledge. Once enabled, you will get to see the same in the selected columns section along with the preview section. Once all the required fields are enabled, click on Save. This is how you will get the report as. You can make use of the filters given here for further filtration of data. In any case, if you want to change the fields to be present in the report, click on the Edit Report option given here. You will be redirected to the Custom Report section and the modifications can be made as per your need. The other actions which can be made here are that reports can be printed and Excel format can be exported from the option given here. This is what the reports look like. Switching multiple reports is made easy with the drop-down given here. These are the functionalities included in the new version of Custom Reports. We hope you find this feature useful. If you are interested to try the logistics management software free, check the description for 14 days trial link. We are looking forward to your suggestions and feedback in the comment section. Thank you for watching.